Making mundane instructions sound sexy.
There's 2 emergency exits. There's 2 in the front, 2 in the rear.
What President Bush does in the Oval Office when he's all by himself.
Shall we play a game?
Things you can say about the food you eat, but not about your girlfriend.
Breasts, breasts, breasts. I'm sick of breasts. Where are the thighs?
What the Queen of England is really saying to the people in the greeting line.
Pull my finger.
What Lassie was really trying to tell everyone.
I gotta pee, man!